guys, obviously I am not here today, but watch this video in its entirety so you know what to do. Your goal for today is to make a novel cube, and I'll explain that in just a minute, and to also keep reading that Wink book and do your software. So what you're going to do is you are going to draw a symbol or a picture. You want very few words in these boxes, if any at all, but like the antagonist, okay? The antagonist is Jimmy Jenkins, so what does he look like to you? What's a theme of the book? What's the setting, the conflict, the protagonist? Ross Malloy, okay, and symbolism. So you are going to draw some pictures in these boxes here and use some color. All of the materials will be on the front table. Okay, I've also given you on the back of this paper right here examples and an explanation of what conflict and protagonist and antagonist actually mean so that you have an idea. So look at the back of this paper to get an understanding of what should go in those boxes there. After you're done drawing on the cube here, these bold lines all on the outside, please do not cut on the dotted lines, okay? Or the striped lines. You want to cut on the outside here, and then you want to fold on the dotted lines to create a cube that will look something like this, okay? So after you fold it and glue it together, your cube should look something like one of these two things here, okay? After you're done gluing it together, what you want to do is you want to explain to me what theme you chose and how does it represent. Like explain yourself why you chose the picture that you did. And maybe if you're not a great drawer like I am, you need to explain what it even is, okay? So this gives you an opportunity to explain what you put in your cubes and what it has to do with the story. Okay, you can use anything from the story up to the chapters that we've read. Okay, take your time, make it look nice. I know we're not all artists, but we can make things look good by taking our time and really trying. Okay, that's all I can ask of you. Again, that's what it should look like in the end, and you can turn it into the basket, both your cube and your paper when you're done. So I'm not going to have you fill anything out, but if you remember from yesterday, we didn't quite finish all of the questions and answers to what we read yesterday. So if you happen to finish the reading, you can work on those, okay? As you read, make sure that you're following along. Don't get lazy and sloppy and sleepy. Make sure that you're following along as the guest teacher or Miss Jenkins reads, or maybe they'll even let you guys read today. But you are going to have a quiz, so you're going to have to pay attention over chapters 24 through 26 tomorrow when I return, so make sure that you're paying attention, okay? And then finally, software. We didn't quite get to software yesterday, but you will definitely have time to get to it today. So your goal is to complete a zone. Make sure that you're doing that. Make sure that you stay focused. Make sure that your computers are charged, and make sure that you're doing and trying the best that you possibly can do. Okay, I don't want to see any bad reports tomorrow, and you can use these slides at any point to refer back to or look at the examples that have been given to you for the cube and everything else. Okay, so quiz tomorrow. We're going to continue week. Make sure before you leave class today that everything goes back into your bin and that you're on your best behavior and your area is cleaned up. So I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day, guys.